Is your Samsung phone's face unlock not working after setup? This can be frustrating because it stops you from quickly unlocking your phone. No worries, here's a simple guide to help you fix the face unlock issue fast. So let's get right to it. Before doing anything else, make sure there aren't obstructions on your face. Ensure proper lighting for face recognition on the front camera to see your face clearly. Also try clearing your front camera. After that, try the following guidelines. If you still have issues, try following new process. Solution 1. Turn off require open eyes. Open up the settings. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on security and privacy. Scroll down slightly. Then tap biometrics. Next, tap on face recognition. Enter your PIN or password or draw your pattern. Scroll down again. Now simply toggle off the require open eyes. Solution 2. Remove and register face data. Open setting. Scroll down. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down a little. After that, tap biometric. From here, tap on the remove face data. And then tap remove. Now tap register face. Tap on continue. Now scan your face properly. After that, try to unlock your phone using your face. If still you have the same problem, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Update your software. Go back to settings. Scroll down a little bit. Then tap software update. Next, tap download and install. If you have any updates available, then we'll start downloading automatically. Solution 4. Try giving reset all setting. Open setting. Scroll down. Tap general management. Scroll down. Tap reset. Tap reset all setting. Tap reset setting. Tap reset. That's all for fixing your face unlock issue. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.